It is Power Caleb here, and I'm with Beltray. Not just Beltray, but I'm with my friend Colin here. Colin, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. But he can't play with us, as you can see, because his mom wouldn't let. Well, his mom took away his computer. So yeah. Jay escaped. Okay, sorry guys. Well, pretend I never said that, but whatever. Well, we're gonna.
Oh my gosh!
That guy's a jerk.
Caleb,
What?
can I talk?
Yes, you can talk.
Cool.
What do you think? Do you think you're just gonna be silent a whole entire 15 minutes?
It's only 15 minutes. I'm burping a lot.
Oh God. Okay, I know what I'm gonna name this video. I know what I'm gonna name this video. I know it now. Okay, okay. Beltray, come on. I can't have all day. Come on. Come on.
Oh, stop it, that's me.
Sorry, that was on accident. That was on accident. I really didn't mean to do that. Oh gosh. Sorry. Oh God. So we were scouting. Ooh, yes. Tier 4? Oh, I got tier 3 weapon built.
Guys, if you want to know.
Beltray, does this hurt?
Caleb, are you playing GTA right now?
Yes. Does this hurt?
One heart.
Caleb.
One heart. Okay, that's taking a lot of damage now. Stop.
Beltray, you want it?
Caleb is.
What?
Caleb is.
Turn down the fan.
Guys, that is really annoying.
Opening this chest?
Yes.
Because there's so many around us that we open them, like.
Is that you, Caleb?
Yeah, I'm just reopening it over and over again.
Oh, hi, Rose Petal. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, Beltray, wait up. I want to kill her. I want my levels.
Rose Petal, don't make me use my camera.
He's the one that shot you, Beltray. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. I was trying to level him out.
The only good thing is that they will eventually respond. Guys, while we were doing stuff off camera, I found a low carbish thingy.
But he used it.
But and I didn't know that you lose it. So that was a waste. I could have used it if I was like in a serious.
Beltray, you want to use a race car? Want to do a race car tournament? Do you have a car?
Dude, is this video gonna be called Did I help you?
Colin the Burper.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and my friend Atticus, he says he's getting Skype, but I doubt it. Okay, Trey Fast 32, put down your cards.
Huh? My card?
Yeah, you put it down.
Let's go faster then, because you have a card.
Okay, sit it down. Sit in. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, and about Atticus, he says he has Minecraft on the PC, but
I beat you. Beltray, I'm stuck. Beltray! Oh my God. Beltray! Ah! Woo! 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 Oh wait, I have better armor than this jerk. No, Jay! You bumhead! I don't like you.
Recording? I said hola.
The first time we did Skype, he said hola.
He told me not to call him, and they didn't even know I was there, and I went hola.
It was so funny.
Oh, don't TP to me. I need to TP to you.
No, Belcher, I'm dead.
But I'm in the water.
But dude, I can tell us out if you accept this.
Dude, are you gonna take Spanish or Chinese?
You mean Mandarin, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, so this episode we're basically doing nothing. We're just playing around. Ah! Okay, where's land? Oh, okay. Oh dang it, my jumper's out of stock.
Recently he played Blocks vs. Zombies off camera.
/ TP here. Oh gosh. Here. Trey. Fast. Okay. Accept it. Okay. Don't die. Oh!
I almost started suffocating.
You mean drowning,
Dude,
right?
you have 8 minutes left to finish this video.
Well, guys, come on. Beltre, I can't do this all day long. Well, Beltre, stay there. Stay there. You might want to move. Move!
What are you using?
Oh, Beltre, how much did that hurt you?
Barely any damage.
That was a cluster bomb.
Oh.
Oh, look, there's a Statue of Liberty.
Kayla!
What do you want?
I can hear you. Okay, Kayla, are you gonna do any Terraria videos?
No.
No. Why not?
Okay, I may do a field runner video, guys. If you guys want field runner video or a Terraria video, type that in the chat below and leave a like and subscribe. That's not the end of the video. I can't get in here.
What are you doing?
Look like this. No.
And guys, the flamethrower is the retexture of the.
It sucks. Look, it sucks so much that it does this much damage. Let's test it on.
No, please no.
Yes, let's test it out on Treyfest. Oh,
Okay,
damn.
okay, I want to eat one tap. Dude, can we make this video 10 That minutes?
I
did a lot of damage.
know.
So that does a lot of damage, especially to somebody with no armor.
Oh, yeah, I can kill someone in one hit if I'm close up with them and I shoot them.
But that's his secret weapon, especially against Cox. He just like, you guys are dead.
Yeah, I like how I only have my
Every single
sniper out.
He'll just use the flamethrower, which will be awesome. That's really bad.
Oh, yes, okay. Oh, go to shift. We're in this alleyway. Dude, there's someone in, oh, wait. That's the guy that killed me before. I can get
There's
revenge.
a zombie near. I want to get money from him. He's not near me anymore. And guys, when do you want to end the video?
Guys. Treyfest.
Caleb, when do you want to end the video? It's 7:54.
54 already. Peace out. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you guys want more of us doing this, call Colin Timmerman.
What the heck?
and leave a like and subscribe like you've never subscribed before. And leave more likes ever. And play Minecraft. Peace out.